For years, Pakistan's public sector grappled with a pervasive issue: inefficient project management. This inefficiency stemmed from a lack of transparency, accountability, and a unified system to track project progress. The absence of real-time data and integrated information led to significant challenges. Projects were often plagued by delays, cost overruns, and a lack of accountability. The lack of coordination among different government bodies resulted in duplicated efforts and wasted resources. This dire situation demanded immediate attention and a transformative approach. This lack of effective project management had severe consequences. Essential infrastructure projects, crucial for economic growth and public welfare, were often left unfinished. The public's trust in the government's ability to deliver on its promises dwindled. Addressing these inefficiencies became paramount to ensure the effective utilization of public funds and the successful implementation of vital projects. The need for a comprehensive overhaul of the public sector's project management practices was evident. Recognizing the urgent need for reform, Dr. Hamad stepped forward. He envisioned a transformed public sector. This new sector would be driven by efficiency, transparency, and accountability. His vision centered on leveraging technology and data-driven decision-making to revolutionize project management in Pakistan. Dr. Hamad believed that by implementing a robust monitoring and evaluation (M&E) system, Pakistan could overcome its long-standing challenges. He understood that effective project management was not merely about completing projects on time and within budget. It was about maximizing the impact of these projects on the lives of ordinary citizens. Dr. Hamad's approach was characterized by a deep understanding of the challenges and a clear plan for addressing them. He recognized that technology, specifically in monitoring and evaluation, could play a pivotal role in bringing about the desired transformation. His vision was not just about implementing new systems, but about fostering a culture of transparency and accountability within the public sector. Dr. Hamad aimed to empower public officials with the tools and the mindset necessary to manage projects effectively and deliver tangible results for the people of Pakistan. At the heart of Dr. Hamad's reform agenda was the introduction of the National M&E Framework. This framework served as a roadmap for transforming Pakistan's public sector project management. This comprehensive framework provided a set of standardized guidelines and procedures for monitoring and evaluating all public sector projects. The framework aimed to move away from the ad hoc approaches of the past and instill a culture of evidence-based decision-making. It provided a clear set of performance indicators, making it possible to objectively assess the progress and impact of each project. The National M&E Framework was designed to be more than just a set of rules. It was conceived as a tool for learning and improvement. By analyzing the data collected through the framework, policymakers could identify successful project implementation strategies and areas where adjustments were needed. This iterative approach to project management was a significant departure from the past, where evaluations, if conducted at all, often occurred after project completion, limiting their utility in improving future endeavors. The framework's emphasis on real-time monitoring and evaluation allowed for course correction during project implementation, ensuring that resources were used effectively and projects remained aligned with their intended goals. Recognizing that data silos hindered effective monitoring and evaluation, Dr. Hamad spearheaded the creation of an integrated digital M&E system. This centralized platform served as a single source of truth for all project-related information, connecting various government bodies and eliminating data fragmentation. This integrated system allowed for the seamless flow of information between different government departments, breaking down the silos that had traditionally hindered effective project management. For the first time, policymakers and project managers had access to real-time data on project progress, financial allocations, and potential bottlenecks. This centralized system greatly enhanced transparency and accountability. The ability to track project progress in real time allowed for timely interventions and ensured that projects stayed on track. The integrated nature of the system also facilitated better coordination among different government agencies, reducing redundancies and promoting a more collaborative approach to project implementation. With all stakeholders having access to the same up-to-date information, decision-making became more informed and efficient. The system's ability to generate comprehensive reports provided valuable insights into project performance, enabling data-driven decision-making at all levels of government. This shift towards evidence-based policymaking marked a significant milestone in Pakistan's journey towards a more efficient and accountable public sector. Section 5. Mapping Progress, the GPS-enabled project register. In a groundbreaking move, Dr. Hamad introduced a GPS-enabled project register. This innovative tool provided a visual representation of all ongoing development projects across Pakistan. Each project was geotagged, allowing for easy monitoring of its location and progress. This register was not merely a technological marvel, but a powerful tool for ensuring transparency and accountability. By making project information publicly accessible, the government encouraged citizen engagement and fostered a sense of ownership among the people. The GPS-enabled project register revolutionized development planning in Pakistan. By providing a comprehensive view of all ongoing projects, it helped policymakers identify geographic areas in need of specific interventions. This data-driven approach ensured that resources were allocated equitably, addressing regional disparities and promoting balanced development across the country. The register's ability to track project progress in real time allowed for early detection of potential delays or bottlenecks. This proactive approach to project management enabled timely interventions, minimizing risks and ensuring that projects were completed within the stipulated timeframe and budget. Section 6. Eliminating redundancies, optimizing resources. One of the most significant achievements of Dr. Hamad's reforms was the reduction in project duplication. The integrated M&E system and the GPS-enabled project register made it possible to identify overlapping projects in real time. This newfound ability to avoid redundant projects resulted in substantial cost savings for the government. These savings could then be redirected towards other essential development initiatives, maximizing the impact of public spending. By eliminating duplication and ensuring efficient resource allocation, Dr. Hamad's reforms paved the way for a more sustainable and impactful development trajectory. The elimination of redundant projects had a cascading effect on the efficiency of the public sector. With a clearer understanding of ongoing initiatives, government agencies could collaborate more effectively, sharing resources and expertise. This collaborative approach fostered a spirit of teamwork and led to more holistic and integrated development interventions. By breaking down silos and fostering a culture of collaboration, Dr. Hamad's reforms transformed the way the public sector operated, making it more agile, responsive and efficient. Section 7. Real-time insights for real-world impact. The integration of real-time monitoring technologies, such as remote sensing and satellite imagery, further enhanced the impact of Dr. Hamad's reforms. These technologies provided objective and timely information on project progress, enabling project managers to make informed decisions and address challenges proactively. For instance, in the case of infrastructure projects, satellite imagery allowed for the monitoring of construction progress, identifying potential delays or deviations from the original plan. This data-driven approach minimized the risk of cost overruns and ensured that projects adhered to quality standards. The use of real-time data extended beyond project monitoring. It also played a crucial role in evaluating the effectiveness of government programs and policies. By tracking key indicators related to health, education and poverty reduction, policymakers could assess the impact of their interventions and make necessary adjustments to maximize their effectiveness. This shift towards evidence-based policymaking marked a significant departure from the past, ensuring that government actions were grounded in data and focused on achieving tangible results for the people of Pakistan. Section 8. cultivating a culture of evaluation and accountability. Dr. Hamad understood that technology alone could not bring about lasting change. It was essential to foster a culture of evaluation and accountability within the public sector. To achieve this, he championed capacity-building initiatives providing training and support to government officials on using the new M&E system effectively. These initiatives equipped public servants with the skills and knowledge necessary to embrace a data-driven approach to decision-making. This focus on capacity building extended beyond technical skills. Dr. Hamad emphasized the importance of fostering a mindset of continuous improvement within the public sector. He encouraged government officials to view evaluation not as a fault-finding exercise, but as an opportunity for learning and growth. This cultural shift was essential in ensuring the long-term sustainability of his reforms. By empowering public servants to take ownership of their work and strive for excellence, Dr. Hamad laid the foundation for a more effective and accountable public sector. Section 9. Restoring Trust. The legacy of Dr. Hamad's reforms. Dr. Hamad's visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to reform have left an indelible mark on Pakistan's public sector. His initiatives have not only improved the efficiency and effectiveness of government projects, but have also played a pivotal role in restoring public trust. The increased transparency and accountability fostered by his reforms have made citizens feel more confident in their government's ability to deliver on its promises. This renewed trust is essential for good governance and sustainable development. The transformative impact of Dr. Hamad's reforms extends far beyond the realm of project management. They have brought about a fundamental shift in the way the public sector operates, making it more citizen-centric, transparent, and accountable. His legacy serves as an inspiration not only for Pakistan but for countries around the world striving to build more effective and responsive public institutions. Section 10. A future built on transparency and efficiency. Dr. Hamad's reforms have laid a strong foundation for a more efficient, transparent and accountable public sector in Pakistan. The initiatives he spearheaded have not only yielded significant improvements in project management, but have also fostered a culture of data-driven decision-making within the government. As Pakistan continues on its journey towards sustainable development, the lessons learned from Dr. Hamad's transformative leadership will undoubtedly serve as a guiding light. The long-term benefits of these reforms are manifold. By ensuring the efficient and effective utilization of public resources, Dr. Hamad's initiatives have paved the way for more equitable and sustainable development. The enhanced transparency and accountability fostered by these reforms have strengthened public trust in government institutions, creating a more conducive environment for citizen engagement and participation. As Pakistan continues to build upon the foundation laid by Dr. Hamad, it moves closer to realizing its full potential as a prosperous and equitable nation.